Okay, Bob.
A light of a moon, a little egg lay and a leaf. One Sunday morning, the wolfson came up and popped out every egg in a tiny, very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. And one day he ate one apple, but he was still hungry. And 2 days he ate 2 pears, but he was still hungry. And 3 days he ate 3 plums, but he was still hungry. 4 days he ate 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. Friday he ate 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Saturday he ate 1 cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of cheese, 1 salami, 1 pie, 1 lollipop, 1 pie, 1 piece of sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 piece of melon. Finally he had a tummy ache. Next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon. He stayed inside around himself for 1 to 2 weeks. And what happened?
What happened?
The caterpillar turned it into a duck.
He did? I don't think so. Let's look and see what happened. Turn a page. What happened? Go ahead, Bob. We gotta finish.
A butterfly is hiding.
Oh, okay. What did the caterpillar turn into?
A butterfly.
A butterfly.